What's going on? Good morning, guys, or afternoon, depending on what time you're watching this. Today is a fun day. We're going to meet up with the rest of the crew. I'm driving to Nico's right now, and we're going to a Cars and Coffee event. So I'll see you there. Alright, we met up with Nico. Getting gas right now. This car always needs gas, I swear to God. He gets like 10 miles to the gallon, and that's on a good day. How's the view?
View's good. How's the one bag? The one bag's amazing.
Ass. No mirror.
Yeah, this is the one that's bagged right here. This one's bagged, yeah.
Wait.
Oh, it's in the video.
He only has one bag on?
He's got 3 coils and 1 bag.
Oh, that sucks.
The bumper.
Took off the bumper.
I'm pretty sure the trailer, he must have ran into the trailer, dude, no way. If the guy was in front with the trailer, he literally was on his ass and then the trailer just went. It's pretty sick to
Alright guys, Anthony and I are out. Going back home. Catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.